and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're gonna make a vegan Philly cheesesteak using some portobellos. I know what you're thinking already. Don't come at me. Y'all gonna be like, oh, I don't like mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms. Bitch, I don't fucking like mushrooms either. But if you manipulate the texture and you manipulate the flavor, oh, fucking everything, let me tell you. Let's just jump right into this bit. I have about a half a tablespoon of EVOO extra virgin olive oil in here. And then I went ahead and just sliced into these thin strips about 4 portobello mushrooms. So I actually have this preheated already between medium and high heat because we really want these to saute and not just like get soft. Does that make sense? Like you want a little crisp and char and everything else. So we're gonna put these in here. Oh, you hear that sizzle, baby? Okay. Now we're gonna pull out our handy dandy Ninja, or if you fancy and you got a Vitamix, okay, we're just gonna pull out a food processor, whatever you got on hand. So in here already I have 1 green pepper roughly chopped and half of a red onion roughly chopped thrown in there because we're gonna blitz it up anyways. Doesn't need to be that serious, okay? And to that we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce. I like to get the low sodium because bitch, that's a lot of soy sauce. And then we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. And then we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of EVOO extra virgin olive oil. Oh my god, baby. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Pour that in there, and then we're going to blitz it up. As you can see, our steamy mushrooms are all nice and cooked down, and we didn't flip them too much because I really wanted to get that saute action going on, get all that moisture out of there. And now we're going to take our marinade and just pour that on top. Oh my god, girl. And then just stir it up, and then I'm going to cover this up while this cools down, and we're going to start sauteing the rest of our vegetables for a sandwich. After we took our mushrooms out and they're sitting over there marinating, we're going to go ahead and use the same exact pan. Didn't clean it or nothing. Just added a little bit more EVOO to it. And to that, we're going to add our other half of our onion and another green pepper. And we're going to saute these bad boys down. Now we're going to assemble our cheesesteak. Now I have this malt vinegar aioli that we whipped up. That is vegan. Oh my god. And then I have follow your heart. I'm putting a lot of this. This shit is so good. I'm going to tell you what. Go watch that video because this is better than just mayonnaise. I'm going to tell you, baby. And then I have 1 slice of Follow Your Heart provolone cheese that I broke in half and put on there. And then I'm going to come in here with my marinated shrooms, use some tongs, get some of that marinade because like that shit's good. It's not like, you know, there's no raw meat in there or anything else. Oh my god. Look, okay, fucking stop. Look at this. Look at how delicious this looks already. And then I'm going to grab some of our sauteed onions and peppers. Oh my god, are you kidding me? And then we're going to kick it up a notch. So also, FYI, if you have trouble closing like a sub bun or something because it's fully packed, if you like push your knife on it and fold it up, it's a little bit easier. So then we're going to pull out our old like 1994 George Foreman. And I'm going to panini this guy because, whoops, it's like fucking broken. I'm going to panini this guy because I wanted a little toasty tits. So we're just going to toast that up real quick. You guys, look at that. Like, oh my god, we got all this aioli dripping and everything else, the cheese. So I have not tasted this yet, and I've just been smelling it, and I'm like, I cannot. I don't know. Oh my god. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Hold the fuck up right now. Yeah. Oh my god. I got a napkin. Hold on, girl. Hold on. Let me gather this down. Oh my god. Fuck me. That is everything. Oh my god. Oh! Girl. You would have no idea that that's mushrooms that's giving you all of that flavor and texture. Fuck, that aioli and that provolone. I'm sorry I keep saying fuck. I'm just really excited. I can't even believe what's happening right now. You need to make this. You need, especially if you're having like omnivores over and they're like all skeptical, like don't tell them. Don't tell them. Just be like, oh, maybe I'm not vegan anymore. And then like make this and they'll be like, oh my God, it's so good. And be like, JK, it's vegan. Okay. Full written recipe will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. If you gain value from this recipe and you make it, take pictures, share with me on social media. I also have those links below. Follow me on Instagram and everything else. Because, girl, I got to get to 10,000 followers on Instagram before I get that swipe up button on the stories. I'm trying to get that shit. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. Share your recipes with me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell notification so you know when I have another recipe coming out. Okay. I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.